Good evening, happy Tuesday. Welcome to the Essential Stencil live DIY tonight with me. I am Melissa Miller. I am from Miller's Rustic Sawmill. I go live here every Tuesday doing a project of some kind with you guys here. I am using this guy tonight, this big truck, and let me show you what I'm using it on. I can't even recall where I got this, but this is a big box. It's a big wooden box that I'm going to be using on it, and it's hollow. I like to put flowers in this, and so I'll fill it up probably with some hydrangeas or something, and some fake ones, of course. And I'm going to put this truck on one side of it down here. I think that that's going to be really cute. Then I can turn it around for summer and Patriotic, 4th of July, all of that stuff. Guys, this is how the transfers work. Sometimes if you are scared of stencils, transfers are going to be the way to go. You can see it's like a giant sticker, right? So I'm going to try to avoid touching this part here where the painting is or the design is. And this is really slick, so if I need to put it back down, I can put it back down. I'm going to pull this off, and I'm going to place this right on this box. I'm going to just kind of position it. This design is pretty well standalone anyway, I feel like, but I do think it would look cute with something right up here just to fill in that space. So I'll take a look at my stencils and see if I have something laying on my table. Look at how cute that's going to be. Grab yourself some of the transfers and create with them. I mean, they do go together very well. You can use them and mix them together. Voila. And then I'm just going to take my hands and I'm just going to kind of press it down. I kind of like the God Bless America, actually. Watch this. We're going to cut it. You guys sometimes freak out whenever I do this, but this is going to help me so much. There we go. Not a big deal at all. Now I don't have to mess with the rest of that stencil hanging off of there. So now I can see it better. I can see where I want it to go better. I can position it easier because I can see right through it. Look at the difference that makes. You can see here I'm just taping down. So I'm going to put a little bit of paint out. Whenever you put out paint for the first time or you're trying this, just put out a tiny bit. Like, look at how tiny bit that is. You guys probably cannot see because of my, can you see that under there? Probably not. Tiny bit. A little bit is all that you're going to need. And I'm going to grab a brush, one of my stencil brushes. You can also find brushes on Essential Stencil. And so then I'm going to get the paint on my brush, and I'm just going to work it into the brush, and I'm going to come right up here. This helps to absorb some paint. I'm going to come right up here, and I'm going to just start swirling right into this stencil. You can see there that I started off of the stencil, so that's another reason I've got that tape there, because I don't want it to go onto my wood box. Let's just pull this up. I think it's going to look, it looks good. It looks good. Let me take my tape off. You can reuse your tape if you pull it off nice and neat. You can always reuse it, recycle it. That looks great. Okay. That was a good call, you guys. Look at how cute this box is. Okay, there is one project done. And we are going to do another one, at least one more, if not two. So let me grab another. Okay, so the next thing I have for you guys are inspired by my background that I changed out. I've used and stenciled some of these stars before. They're just some really thin cut out stars. So I think I can lower you down a little bit and bring you in a little closer now that I'm working on something smaller. So I've got these cutouts, and I'm going to, well, I think we're going to find out if this works. I have an idea of using the gingham pattern. I thought it would be fun to trace this pattern around the star. And we're going to do a star. And you might be thinking that it's going to use a lot of my pattern, and that's okay. That's why I get them. I get them so that I can use them. And sometimes you have these little leftover pieces, and I would tell you to keep the leftover pieces for sure. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut out this pattern, and then we're going to put it on this star. Okay, so that's one. I think that will be really cute on here. Now the trick is just getting it started so that it peels up. So there we go. And this is a solid, so there's no see-through on this. Let's see if I can get this on here. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is adorable. Oh, that's cute. So I'm just gonna take those edges. I don't have any sandpaper in here, but I'll end up sanding them off. But look at how cute that is. I do have another star. Okay, so we're gonna put this little guy right here. How cute is this gonna be? All of the Patriotic designs are awesome. They are awesome. I think that making letters out of them, I would like to try that, using my 5-inch letters and tracing the letters out onto something for maybe something. But look at how cute that is. That is so cute. Okay, let me turn this up and I'm going to show you where it's going to go. So, sorry. Yeah, we're going to just set that right over here in my little wood box. And I'll show you. Isn't that cute right there? You can see it sitting right here. That's adorable. We did this guy tonight. This is a great big box. So that's going to be cute, filled up with some summer flowers in it, sitting in here. And yeah, thanks for being on with me tonight, you guys. Make sure you tune in every night of the week, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great week. Bye.